Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And today we have a Schlage 5-pin multi-cylinder. This is my big box of locks from Randy Perkins, pinned by Keyz. Reasonable bitting on the key, not too bad, but all works nicely. Locked up. So let's see if we can get into this one and see what Bobby's left inside for us. So just light tension, nothing on 1, click on 2, nothing on 3, little click on 4, and nothing really on 5, nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, tiny sort of half-assed click out of 5, right, we've got another little click out of 2 that time, a little click out of 3, 4, and nothing out of 5 again, 1, right, 2 have dropped down, so we've got the click out of 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing. Right, 5's feeling a bit funny, but I just gave it a wiggle around and we got a very slight movement on the core. Probably nothing you could actually see, but just something I felt through the tension wrench. And 2 had dropped again. Nothing on 3. 4 dropped down, but doesn't seem to want to do anything. 5, we got that tiny new movement on the core again. 2, 3, and we've now got a reasonable-ish full set, but 4 has dropped. I'm getting a little bit of feedback from 4, but it doesn't really want to move anywhere. 5, nothing on 1 still. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Everything's now gone solid. Now we've got that full set. Let's try and get on to 1. No. 2. No. 3. 4. We've got a little bit of feedback from 4, but it's still not wanting to do anything. No. 2, 3. We're getting counter rotation from 4, but it's not wanting to set. So right, manually turn the core back fractionally. we got a little bit out of 4 but lost a bit of the full set, so nothing on 1. 2's dropped, so we've got 2, and we've got some movement on the core. 3, 4, 5. Right, 1, 2. We got a nice click out of 2 that time. 3, and we got that full set back, and we've still lost 4. Come on, number 4. Right, we got a little bit more out of 4 that time, but yet again we've still lost that full set. Definitely feels like some nastiness in here. So it's going to be nice getting in here and seeing what we've actually been up against. It was 3 gave us the full set, 4's up. Now, right, 1, we're getting counter rotation. There we go, we got a click out of 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Right, that was a bit of a battle, but let's get this out of the way. Get the pinning tray in. So, what have we got on the back? A screw. We should be alright without a shim, because that fits nice and tightly. Well, there we go. We actually had 6 pins, but 5 hardly needed touching, or 6, sorry, and we've got threading in there. So let's have a right, we've got a nice spoolie one in 1, standard in 2, spool serrated in 3, serrated in 4, a T-pin in 5, and a serrated pin in 6. And then looking at the core, we've got threading in 3, 4 and 6, and what have we got? No, nothing there, so that's all we've got there. So let's have a look up top. And tweezers right in front of my face, and I couldn't even see them. Right, so that's serrations spool with a narrow bottom in 1. Number 2, that is a very pretty pin. We'll have a look in a minute. And 3, let's just drop these springs out in order, if they'll come out. That's 1. 2. So they're looking the same. 3 doesn't want to come out. Right, we'll have a go at that in a minute. Let's have a go from the back for the others. So in 6 we have a serrated pin, and that looks like a different spring, steel spring there. 5, very nasty spool, and another steel spring. 4, a serrated T-pin, and another spring that doesn't want to come out. Right, that was number 3. I cannot get a number 4. I'll have a play with that in a little while. But let's have a look in the core. I don't know whether we can see in there. We're going to focus. I can't see anything in there. All looks standard to me. So I shall get that spring out once we're done. Have a look at these lovely pins. That one flipped over while I was bashing everything. So as we can see, very nice set of pins there from Keyz. A lot of work gone into those, and quite a fun bit of picking, especially having that extra pin in there, even though it didn't really, probably only just needed a tiny touch. Anyway, there we go. That's the Schlage water cylinder from Keyz. Thanks for sending it, Randy, and see you all again soon. Bye.